Good morning, guys. I'm up bright and early this morning. I got a project to do. I'm going to put together a storage cabinet. Today we're looking at this storage cabinet. It is a Seville ultra heavy duty storage cabinet. Got a 3-point key lock system, powder coated steel body, stainless steel doors with coating to keep fingerprints off of it, 4-corner bump protection. And this is the goal. I got 2 cabinets ordered. I'm changing the look of my garage to more organized. The wife is she's fully behind getting my garage organized. Now this cabinet here, let me open the garage door, get a little more light. So this is where we're at right now. I put together this cabinet right here, and it's a little bit dark out here because it's a little bit early. I haven't put the shelves in yet. But we're going to have 2 cabinets over the top and another storage cabinet over there. And I'm sorry for the noise, guys. But we will close this garage door. And we will start putting this thing together. We'll get the box open and get going on it.